स्टिल देयर आर पीपल जो बोल रहे हैं कि देयर स्टमक इज हर्टिंग या फिर आपको भी यहाँ पे कुछ फील हुआ था. तो यू सेड कि दे आर नॉट हर्टिंग यू फिजिकली, देन व्हाट वाज दैट जहाँ पे यू सेड कि पीपल एग्जैजरेट करके बोलते हैं चीजों को. I'll not mention the name, but you.
Tessa! I don't mind, like, do all the controversies you want, honestly. So she went like, whenever I get out of the house, I have to wear like a mask and sunglasses so people don't recognize me, which is the funniest thing I've ever heard. Because, like, what are you talking about? Like, what fan base is this that you have to cover your face in sunglasses and all? So that.
स्वागत है आप सभी का हमारे चैनल पे. और आज हमारे साथ है MTV डार्क स्क्रॉल से 1111, also known as एंजल. एंजल, स्वागत है आपका हमारे चैनल पर.
Thank you.
तो एंजल, ऑब्वियसली सबसे पहला सवाल यही है कि हाउ वाज योर एक्सपीरियंस, जितना भी टाइम आपने लाइक इन्वेस्टिगेट किया, एंटिटीज को फील किया, हाउ वाज योर ओवरऑल एक्सपीरियंस?
See, my journey from the very first investigation, I was very scared, but then baad mein jate, till my last investigation, I think I become like a lot more comfortable around investigating. And it was traumatizing to some extent because every night when we used to come back from our investigations, it was difficult for us to sleep. You were getting nightmares, you were scared to sleep, all of us. So it was very scary, it was very traumatizing, but it was once in a lifetime experience. Like you don't usually get to experience such stuff in like normal life.
ओके.
Yeah.
तो इनिशियली यू नो इट वाज जस्ट अ रियलिटी शो या फिर ये आपका कोई पर्सनल इंटरेस्ट की चीज भी थी, लाइक एक्सप्लोरिंग द पैरानॉर्मल एक्टिविटीज या फिर एंटिटीज से इंटरेक्ट करना, ये आपके पर्सनल टच में भी था या फिर इट्स जस्ट यू आर इन बॉम्बे, यू आर गेटिंग अ रियलिटी शो एंड यू आर लाइक पार्टिसिपेटिंग इनटू दैट?
See, it was a reality show, that is true, and it was like a good show. I like got to know the concept of the show, and I've always been very interested in the paranormal world, in the entities, like do they exist, do they not exist? I had heard stories from my friends related to paranormal entities, but myself I did not experience something so drastic. So I found it very interesting, and I was very curious to know more about it. So I just decided to do the show.
ओके. तो क्या कोई ऐसी चीज थी जो लाइक इनिशियली बिफोर द शो आपके अंदर एक लाइक मिसकंसेप्शन था या फिर मिक्स कंफ्यूजन था, एंड आफ्टर यू हैड द एक्सपीरियंस, आफ्टर यू वर विद द एक्सपर्ट्स, आपका वो मिसकंसेप्शन या मिथ क्लियर आउट हुआ?
See, there are many misconceptions people have. I did not know, like the entities, they do not know that they're dead.
ओके.
They are not aware that they're dead. Whatever memory is like very prominent in their subconscious mind, the day in their memory which is very prominent, they just live that day in a loop
ओके.
continuously. They are not aware they're dead. So there were many such misconceptions that I was not aware of. And like entities cannot physically harm you. They can only impact you psychologically. So I got to know a lot more about entities that I already knew about.
बट स्टिल देयर आर पीपल जो बोल रहे हैं कि देयर स्टमक इज हर्टिंग या फिर आपको भी यहाँ पे कुछ फील हुआ था. तो यू सेड कि दे आर नॉट हर्टिंग यू फिजिकली, देन व्हाट वाज दैट? दैट्स जस्ट लाइक
See,
साइकोलॉजिकल इफेक्ट व्हेन यू आर एट दैट प्लेस, या फिर वो आपको सच में टच करते हैं?
See, I'll tell you. When you're communicating with the spirits, they channel your energies to communicate, right?
Okay.
Because they need energies. So, like in one of the investigations, the battery of my spirit box died. And then Sarba had to come in to change the battery. So they consume your energy. So you channel their energies. So what the pain which I had was not the spirit physically hurting me. The spirit was channeling my energies, and that spirit was stabbed in the back. Like when it died, it was stabbed in the back. So I was channeling the pain of that spirit when it died. So it was not the spirit physically hurting me. It was the pain of the spirit that I was channeling.
ओके. सो दिस इज
Yeah.
व्हाट समथिंग न्यू दैट आई एम कमिंग टू नो कि ऐसा होता है कि इट्स जस्ट द
Yeah.
एनर्जी दैट यू आर गेटिंग. टेल मी वन थिंग, वेर यू अर्लियर ऑल ऑल्सो कि मतलब ऐसे होता है ना, दोस्तों के साथ ऐसे हॉन्टेड प्लेसेस पे जाते हैं, आसपास कोई ऐसी स्टोरीज होती है तो लेट्स एक्सप्लोर, ऐसा पहले भी करा है कभी या फिर इट वाज जस्ट फॉर द शो?
Yes, 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 always. See, okay, so like 4 5 years ago, there's this haunted house, like thoda dur from my house in Jaipur. I'm from Jaipur, right? So my house in Jaipur, there's this place which has been abandoned for years, and I've heard stories that whatever family moved into that house, they all died, or like they had made there's something haunting that house, right? So my friends and I, we just decided like रात को 10 बजे 10-11 बजे, we were like, let's just hop in. So we trespassed that property, we jumped the gates, like went inside, and there was stuff there intact from like 20 years old stuff just kept there. When I came back home, I told my mom like full excited, okay, कि I did this, ये वो. She got like a priest over and he did some healing because she thought I got spirits मेरे साथ. And then there's this other place also near the Jaipur airport, which is like where you get the whole view of the airport from there. So me and my friends usually do like just hang out there sometimes. So we went there raat ko ek bar, and then there was this guy sitting with his hands straight, his legs straight, just sitting there. We went on the terrace. When we came down, he was sitting there. We did not see him pehle. And then somehow he rotated his neck. Like almost funny. I have a video of that as well, like as a
Oh,
proof. Like yeah, that guy, uska neck tilted. I was like, भैया क्या हुआ? I was standing उससे थोड़ा दूर. So his neck, I was पीछे, so his neck पूरा tilted. So
okay.
that is all that I've seen. And then suddenly I went into a show and I communicated with the spirits. It was like a big jump from that.
Okay. So, you had a like a thought जहाँ पे you said कि people exaggerate करके बोलते हैं चीजों को. I'll not mention the name, but you.
Sasa, I don't mind. Like, do all the controversies you want, honestly.
Okay. So, you still feel कि when you saw that over the television, जब आपने उस चीज को बाहर में as view करके देखा as an audience, तो आपको still feel होता है कि she exaggerated या फिर वो just entertainment purpose के लिए था?
I'll tell you, if you see the investigations yourself,
Hmm.
during the investigation, I feel whatever she did during the investigation, all of it was real. The things she felt during the investigation, all of it was real. But at the end, when Amit sir always, like, when he used to announce the results of who performed the best and everything, suddenly, every time, everything was heightened. Even when I saw the episodes, whatever she felt during the investigation, I get it. But again, after the investigation, वो बहुत over exaggerate कर रही थी. And I'll tell you, before the shoot started for the reality show, we had our marketing bits, right? Like the photo shoots and everything for 2 days. So we spent a lot of time together. So तब भी मतलब whenever the cameras were off, it was completely different. Now she was a completely different person altogether. I really liked her as a person before the camera started, or whenever the cameras were off. I really liked her as a person. We vibed a lot. We became good friends. That is what I believe. And like she agreed to it. When I was leaving, also, she was like, when I was leaving, I told her I'm leaving. So she was like, bro, I thought ladai hoti hai, ladai to sort out ho jati hai. I thought we had time. I just feel so bad that you're leaving and everything. But whenever the cameras used to turn on, she would become a completely different person. Yeah.
And can you give some examples in how she flipped when the cameras were on?
No, her whole personality only. So basically, we were supposed to not talk in English, right? कि मतलब हिंदी show है तो don't talk in English. Avoid it as much as you can. उसको अमित सर ने भी कितनी बारी टोका कि don't. So she's like, I speak 5 languages, but I cannot speak Hindi. Something like that. But whenever the cameras were off, she was very like fluently speaking Hindi. So it was a natural. But like all of that. And I just think she wanted to give away that image of like whatever. I don't know what she was trying to give away an image of. And when we initially met, so she was asking everyone their Instagram followers for some reason. I still don't get it. And then she asked all of us. So you're like how many followers do you have? Because we had no idea. So she's like, no, I don't want to reveal. It's like if you're asking my followers, it's like you're asking how much I earn. So like I don't want to reveal my followers and shit. And then later on she did. She told us she had 90K or something. We're like, okay, cool. So she went like, whenever I get out of the house, I have to wear like a mask and sunglasses so people don't recognize me, which is the funniest thing I've ever heard. Because like, what are you talking about? Like, what fan base is this that you have to cover your face in sunglasses and all? So that like such things only. Like later on when she started talking about such things, it was very annoying.
Okay. So I can
Yeah.
conclude that she was the most annoying person you met on the show.
Yeah.
Or anyone else had that competition कि नहीं ये तो इससे भी.
See, Mian, I did not interact much, so I don't know about Mian. Whenever we hung out before we had the fight, Mian was fine. I liked Mian as a person, but Swati was so diplomatic the whole time. She was so diplomatic, as in it's like us five, and it's Sasa and Mian. Like after we had the fight and everything, we confronted her. It was those two and us five. Swati was nowhere. Matlab, she was everywhere. She was very diplomatic. When we used to hang out in my room, she used to stay like agree with us and everything about Sasa and Mian and everything. And whenever the camera used to be on, she would like just say no, I don't know. Well, she did not have a stand about her opinions. And I'm not even sure what her opinion was because she was playing like a double game the whole time. So, yeah, these two.
That good book person जो हर किसी की good books में रहना चाहता है,
Yeah,
despite of knowing
yeah,
the facts and not being able to take the stand कि हाँ ये सच है और ये मैंने देखा है, ये मैंने process किया है सामने से.
yeah.
Okay, so overall, whatever journey you had, whatever things you came up with, so what are your next plans for future? I mean, what are you like pursuing? क्या करना है? क्या plans है for future?
Maybe you see me in some other reality shows, or first I'm focusing on my college because I'm in the third year of college as well. But again, maybe you'll see me in some other reality shows in the future.
Okay, so we are seeing you in reality shows only, nothing interacting, modeling, or something as that
No,
project.
I've been modeling for the last 5 years, so that is a constant. But like in the reality show wala aspect, this was the first time I did a reality show. I've been acting, I've been modeling for a very long time. I have like a movie lined up, I have other stuff lined up. So that has been going on for a while now. But like the new this thing, new projects might you might see me in some other reality show next.
I've been seeing a lot of comments, लोगों के after seeing the reality show, they wanna go, they wanna explore, they wanna interact. तो लोगों से आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगी? You wanna say something to them or for your fans or
The main thing I want to tell people is, guys, we were not bullying Sasa. We were not. The number of comments I've seen on my post, like, Sasa is this, you're bullying her, you five are bullying her. We were not trying to bully her. We tried to sort things out with her. But then she was doing yoga sitting on a chair. तो मतलब क्या ही बोलूं मैं I am not the wrong person here, guys. Get your facts straight. That is all.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much, Angel. Thank you for interacting with us and giving us the time.